And now for our top focus this hour. Amid controversy over his recent remarks praising Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, Samajwadi Party MLA Abu Azmi has been suspended from the Maharashtra Assembly for the entire session. The suspension proposal was put forward by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Chandrakant Patil as soon as the session began. Azmi, a four-time MLA from Mankur Shivaji Nagar, sparked a political storm after criticizing the depiction of historical events in the film Chhava, based on Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, the son of Maratha ruler Shivaji. He defended Aurangzeb as a good administrator, and his comments led to uproar in the assembly, with the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde demanding his suspension. Azmi later withdrew his remarks, claiming that they were misinterpreted.
2 दिनों से मेरे खिलाफ बहुत आंदोलन चल रहा है। मुझे तजुब है कि मैंने असेंबली के अंदर कोई ऐसी बात नहीं किया। मैंने बाहर कुछ प्रेस वालों के किसी सवाल के जवाब में वो बातें बोल दी जो इतिहासकारों ने, हिस्टोरियन ने जो लिखी हैं बातें, जो रोज़ाना कॉलेजेस में, स्कूलों में, बड़ी मीटिंगों में जा कर के वो हिस्टोरियन लोग बच्चों को बताते हैं, वही बातें मैंने बोल दी। तो इसके ऊपर इतना बड़ा गुनाह कि मुझे सस्पेंड किया गया। और मैंने असेंबली का सेशन चले, बजट सेशन है, कारपोरेशन इलेक्शन नहीं हुआ है, लोगों काम रुके हुए हैं, तो मैंने यहाँ तक भी कह दिया कि भाई मैंने जो कहा बोला है ना, अपनी बातों को वापस लेता हूँ। इसलिए मैंने कोई गलत चीज़ बोला नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी वापस लिया मैंने कि सेशन चलता रहे, ये सब प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो।
Now, reacting to the suspension, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav questioned whether ideological influences on such decisions blurred the line between freedom of expression and oppression.
Kind of statement he has given, that was not only derogatory, but it hurts each and everyone's sentiments. So no one has the right to hurt anyone's sentiment. That's the first point. And intentionally he did that. He is a continuous offender. If you go back to the history and if you check, so he's been indulging such kind of offenses quite often. So today Maharashtra Assembly suspended him for this one session. Actually, there is a Supreme Court judgment when in the past there were 12 MLAs who were suspended, and that time when they approached to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has given verdict that above from one session, the Assembly cannot terminate anyone, any MLA or any MLC for more than that period. So this Assembly has formed one committee, and that committee will take decision. They will study all the Supreme Court's verdict, judgments, and according to that, the further what kind of punishment we can give him, that they will discuss about it and they'll take a decision.
But UBT is saying that Abu Azmi is a B team of BJP itself because the timing of the statement which he has given and the Dhananjay Munde's resignation, there are certain...
See how double standards they are having. The Abu Azmi and their party was alliance partner of UBT. They were together in the power. Mr. Azmi was sitting on the lap of Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, and now they are saying he is the B team of BJP. Don't you think it's ridiculous? It's a baseless. And see, we cannot tolerate if anyone is saying anything against our Raja Chhatrapati. We cannot tolerate that. And I think Honorable Senior, our BJP leader, Sudhirba Mungintiwar, he has given all the historical references. How was Aurangzeb? How cruel he was, and the kind of behavior he did with his father, with his brother, with his family. It is not acceptable. It's a ludicrous. So the point is, now the Assembly has given punishment to Mr. Azmi. They suspended him. But that punishment is not enough according to the all MLAs, according to the people of the Maharashtra, people of this country, who are having a great respect about Raja Chhatrapati.
The kind of statements which has been given by Abu Azmi that has resulted into his suspension, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या आपकी डिमांड्स है अभी? और अखिलेश यादव का भी ट्वीट आता है, वो भी उनको कहीं ना कहीं सपोर्ट करते हुए दिखते हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100% 100%
अखिलेश यादव ने राम मंदिर के लिए विरोध किया। राम मंदिर में जब कार सेवक गए थे तब मुलायम सिंह की सरकार थी, तब भी कार सेवक पे हल्ले किए। मुझे लगता है हिंदू विचारों को पूरी तरह से मिटाने का काम समाजवादी पार्टी कर रही है। और समाजवादी पार्टी के जो नेता है अखिलेश सिंह जी, उन्होंने ये जानना चाहिए महाराष्ट्र छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के विचारों का है, संभाजी महाराज के विचारों का है। यहाँ अबू आजमी जैसे अगर कुछ महाराष्ट्र में अखिलेश के पार्टी के लोग अगर यहाँ पे औरंगजेब का नाम लेके अगर उनके गुणगान गाते हैं, उनका निलंबन तो काफी नहीं है, उनको पूरी सदस्यता उनकी रद्द होना चाहिए। और आने वाले समय में देवेंद्र फडणवीस सरकार औरंगाबाद जैसा नाम बदल के संभाजी नगर रखा, उस संभाजी नगर को न्याय देने के लिए औरंगजेब के कब्र को भी हटाएंगे। उसके लिए पूरी ताकत से हम भी आवाज उठाएंगे और मुझे विश्वास है ये सरकार औरंगजेब का नामो निशान इस देश से मिटा देंगी।
Initially, it started from a film, Chhawa. While speaking about the film, Abu Azmi had mentioned that it is wrong what's shown in the film. In fact, Aurangzeb was a good emperor, and he, in fact, built many temples, as well as he also mentioned that India, in his tenure, was a Sone ki Chidiya, golden bird, and India's GDP was 24% of what it is now. While he said that now when it comes to the subject, anything related to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj or Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, this is very sensitive issue for the entire Maharashtra, including the common people. Now the sentiments of people following the kings was hurt, and which is why we have seen that the kind of reactions have come from the political background. Even it may be the opposition leaders, or it may be someone from the ruling party. Everybody was against what Abu Azmi has said, and after the controversy had triggered, Abu Azmi also tried to take back his statement, saying that if whatever I have said has hurt anyone's sentiments, I take the statement back. But that made no difference because the statement was made in the Vidhan Bhavan premises, the assembly premises. He is now facing the consequences of what he has said.
Now shifting focus, politics surrounding the Yamuna River continues to escalate in the national capital as Delhi's Minister of Irrigation and Flood Control, Parvesh Verma, took a boat tour to inspect the state of the river. During his inspection, he announced that a significant 1,300 tons of garbage have been removed from the Yamuna over the past 10 days. The BJP leader expressed confidence in the progress that's been made up till now, stating that he plans to take a dip in the river soon, contrasting this with the AAP leadership, which he accused of merely complaining and failing to take action to clean the river. Listen in.
हमारी सरकार का प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का एकदम स्पष्ट हमको निर्देश है कि किसी भी कीमत पर कोई भी ढिलाई बर्दाश्त नहीं की जाएगी। मैं दिल्ली वासियों से भी ये कहना चाहता हूं कि इस हमारी मुहिम में हमारा साथ दें और ये मिशन मोड में हमको काम करना है। सरकार के पास में पैसा भी है और सरकार के पास में पैशन भी है। पूरे पागलपन के साथ में हम इस काम को करेंगे। दिन रात अधिकारियों के साथ में बैठक चल रही है। पिछले 10 दिन में 1 दर्जन से ज्यादा बैठकें हो चुकी हैं। जो पहले की सरकार रही उनके दिमाग में ये बात था ही नहीं कि उन्हें यमुना मैया को कभी साफ भी करना है। केवल उनको एक ही काम आता था कि दूसरे लोगों पर अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को डालना, एक्सक्यूज देना।
दिल्ली वाले यमुना नदी के अंदर अगले 5 साल में भी
नहीं, मैं ही लगाऊंगा सबसे पहले, चिंता मत करो।